Hey folks, and welcome back to Shaggy's Car Shop. On tonight's episode, we're going to be doing some paint prep on my firewall here. I had a little bit of a body filler over here to cover up where I welded in for the air box. And then we're going to be sanding down where I did some seam sealer and just generally getting this ready for paint. Alright, without any further ado, let's get to the video. Alright folks, so what I'm using tonight is a random orbital sander. I don't have a pneumatic one, I have an electric one. My little compressor won't be able to keep up with the pneumatic one, but hopefully this one will work. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be cutting this first with some 220 grit and just knocking all the big stuff down. Then I'm going to put a sealer coat of primer on it. And then I'm going to jump to a 400 grit and then a 600 grit. And that should get it ready for paint prep. So some of this will be with a electronic sander, and then a lot of it's going to be hand sanding just because of all the nooks and crannies and spaces all over. But let's get to it. Alright folks, on this body filler area, I'm going to switch over to a 80 grit. I know that's a little rough, but that'll knock down all the big stuff until I can come back in with a 120 and then my 220. It's a lot of stuff to knock down right now, so I just want to get that out of the way. Alright, let's keep at it. Alright folks, so I got the initial rough knocked down with some 220 grit. I had to use a little bit of 80 to knock some of this down. Got a little bit more to add in over here. But I'm going to finish hand sanding a little bit of these areas, and then I'm going to do another coat of sealer primer over it, and then I'm going to hit it with some 400 grit. I'll bring you back once I get into that, because it'll be a little more with the random orbital sander and a lot more hand sanding, but I'll take and smooth that out, and then I'm going to hit it with some 600 grit, clean it all off, and then it should be ready to paint. Alright, thanks for watching Shaggy's Car Shop. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you.